Looks like it might rain a little bit. Looks like it's raining over towards Charlotte anyways. What we have here, some leftover seed. These are Casper pumpkin seeds, the white pumpkins, jack-o'-lanterns. It says from 2015. And these are yellow straight neck squash seeds. We're gonna go ahead and put these in the ground. I chunked the rest of the stuff that we tried to start, the store-bought grocery store, bell peppers, things of that sort. I've cleaned out my freezer bag full of seeds. So we're gonna stick a few of these in our raised bed area so that we can keep it watered, keep an eye on it, and I'll just separate them. I'm guessing right now is probably a good time to start the pumpkins and the jack-o'-lanterns for this fall. And I know we'll need another succession of the squash. So I'll get busy planting this. I'm watering this in first. It's pretty dry, just to make for sure that we make good contact with the seeds. Before I plant them, I'll water them again after I plant them. And this here is just to get the seeds started. I'll move them if I need to, and maybe let a few of them grow here. We'll see how this plays out. I'm gonna check and see how far down. Yeah, see, the water didn't go very far, even though I soaked it pretty heavy. Yeah, it's pretty dry. Maybe a 1/4 inch is wet. So I'm going to go ahead and plant them. I'm just gonna take the heel of this tool and poke me a few holes and plant our squash over here by the Mexican petunia. It's not quite deep enough. I think that'll be fine. About the depth of the wooden part there. I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kind of keep up with it. 10, 11, 12. I think I'll put the squash over here. This will help remind me where it's at. I think with the pumpkins, we're going to do about 10, maybe 10 seeds each. I think that'll be plenty. If they make it, they may not germinate. Like I said, the jack-o'-lanterns have got a 2015 date on them, and I didn't even date these others, Caspers. We'll try. I think I might go to Seed Savers Anonymous. I forgot about these seeds that I've dried from grocery store tomatoes. Roma looking tomato, no name on it. This one had a Sunset, greenhouse grown, California, Canada. So, just so I kind of sort of know where they are and what they were, we'll plant about 6 of these each, just to see. That's pretty cool. I had to do a double take. They're not that orange, they're young. Usually summertime they're bright orange. How about that? Now where y'all going? Huh? That is too cool. Future supper. Future supper. How about that? That is Interstate 485 right there. I'm hoping they don't go that way. Or at least that they make it.
Be careful what you ask for. We asked for a little bit of rain. And it's coming down pretty good right now.
What do you think about that? I don't remember exactly when I planted that. I'll have to look back on the dates. Take a look at that. Even the tomato seeds I had planted are coming up. We had some good rain last night. Everything is loving it. I believe these are squash, white pumpkins, and jack-o'-lantern pumpkins, and grocery store tomato seeds that I had dried. Yes, we're still trying that. It never works out, but we're gonna try. Lots of tomatoes. I keep the bunny rabbits out of them. I think we decided we didn't like the cucumbers on the trellis. They're okay, I guess. But for now, that's gonna have to work. What do you think about that stinker? Huh? I laid the back seat down in the Jeep. The leather seats are kind of slick on her. Isn't that right, baby? And she was just falling all over the place. So we open up the back here. She can have the whole back for a while. Isn't that right, sweetheart? Huh? You ready to go for a ride? Let's go check on the horses. I'm gonna go check on the chickens this morning. They have slowed down tremendously. Out of 10 chickens, we might get 5 eggs. And I believe I've got another one that has gone broody on me. We'll check on her. Should have 10 outside right here. Let's do a quick count. Good morning, girls. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Really? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What do you know? All right, I believe we have broke the cycle. Very good. When they go broody, they won't lay an egg. They're just on mama mode and trying to hatch out eggs. And our eggs are not fertile. That's the neighbor's rooster right there, not ours. So our eggs are not fertilized. Boiled some more eggs yesterday. These are the spent eggshells. Feed them back to the chickens for the calcium, or what's left in it after we boil them. If y'all haven't checked out our previous egg video where we boiled eggs, boiled a goose egg, and fried up a goose egg, that's a fun video to check out, a good one. Matter of fact, it's our most popular video. Y'all check it out. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Click the notification bell. It would be most helpful. If you could, just share them with your friends. Facebook, social media. It would help us out. Thank you very much.